Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 entry-level turntables available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best entry-level turntables. The 5th product on our list is the Denon DP-300F. Rediscover your passion for analog music with the Denon DP-300F automatic analog entry-level turntable. Vinyl may be old-fashioned, but it's definitely the real deal when it comes to hearing your favorite tracks exactly how they were intended. Being a simple yet attractive turntable with a vintage look, this unit will add some decorative spice to any space. It is slim and sleek, powered by a DC servo motor with a belt drive system, and is designed with a heavier base construction that decreases vibrations so that you can enjoy distortion-free, rich and detailed sound. This turntable is made from die-cast aluminum that enhances its rigidity and enables it to have a uniform rotation to prevent flutters. It has a rotation speed of 33 or 45 rotations per minute. The built-in phono equalizer allows you to connect this turntable to an amplifier or a receiver that does not have a phono input of its own. However, you can turn off this feature when using a receiver with a phono input. This entry-level turntable also comes with a moving magnet cartridge so that you can start to enjoy your analog record collection as soon as you connect the DP-300F to your home hi-fi system. Additionally, its tone arm has a removable head shell that makes cartridge replacement simple. The head shell allows you to mount and balance any standard cartridge between 5 to 10 grams. With the push of a button, the automatic startup feature allows the turntable to begin to play. Once the play has been completed, the tone arm will be returned to the armrest gently so that the stylus and record are not damaged or scratched. Furthermore, there is also a manual lift mechanism that allows you to place the needle on the record wherever you want, so you can skip to a different song. Its pros are: it produces excellent sound quality, it offers an automated playback, and it is easy to install. However, its cons are: its cartridge could be better, and it does not support USB recording. The Denon DP-300F is suitable for anyone who wants a quality, high-end turntable at an affordable price. Up next in 4th place is the 1x1. You can't talk about low-priced turntables with unique designs and not mention the 1x1 wireless turntable. It has a traditional style, solid wood appearance, and dust cover that makes it stand out from its counterparts. As a retro, sleek-looking, belt-driven turntable with wireless connectivity, you benefit from modern features such as Bluetooth capability and vinyl to MP3 transferability. This unit records at 3 different speeds: 33, 45, and 78 rotations per minute, and plays MP3 files via USB port. This means that you can play your favorite songs from your device using both the USB and wireless connections, or encode vinyl audio into MP3s for a digitalized storage and playback on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. The built-in phono line and preamplifier enable you to connect this turntable to the set of inbuilt stereo speakers or your externally powered speakers via the dual RCA output cables. Weighing only 5 pounds, this product is one of the lightest in the market, and so you can easily carry it along to a party or outdoor adventure as long as you can easily access a power source. The iron platter featured on this product produces uniform inertial mass for perfect stability and rotation. Its adjustable counterweight and anti-skating force work to prevent scratches to the vinyl by ensuring that the stylus sits perfectly inside the record's groove to keep clarity on musical peaks. Balance channels provide freedom from noise and distortion. The included cartridge and stylus produce rich, warm audio and outstanding sound clarity, while the universal head shell allows you to change cartridges with ease. Furthermore, the phono and line outputs enable you to play with or without a phono equalizer. Its pros are: it is lightweight, compact, and portable. It plays vinyl at 3 speeds, and you can transfer your vinyl collection to your digital devices. However, its cons are: it has no auxiliary input, and its built-in speakers are small. The 1x1 wireless turntable hi-fi system is perfect for anyone looking for a music system that couples a vintage record player with modern technology. Still haven't found an entry-level turntable that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon. The quality of music you get from vinyl is incomparable, and that is why music lovers are finding their way back to the good old players. However, the recently produced turntables combine the look of a vintage model with modern features to give you a classic music system. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon turntable features a carbon fiber tone arm that provides extra stiffness and decreases the resonance for higher sound quality. By doing so, it yields higher fidelity from any LP you play. There's also the wide heavy platter that allows your record to rotate smoothly without any distortion. The Ortophon moving magnet cartridge makes for remarkable detail recovery of the musical nuances found within vinyl grooves. The precision belt drive offers a low-noise AC motor with effective motor decoupling and ultra-precision frequency DC-driven AC generator for ultimate speed stability without unwanted vibration. This unit rests on rubberized feet that separate the motor from the table and prevent vibrations from being transferred to the platter, record, and needle. Although you will need to pick up the heavy platter whenever you switch from 33 to 45 rotations per minute, it is always worth it. This product does not feature a phono preamp, so you'll want to pick one up. Its pros are: it is durable, it produces outstanding sound detail and quality, and it is easy to set up. However, its cons are: its speed can only be changed manually, and its motor is quite loud. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon is ideal for music lovers who are quite particular about the quality of their vinyl recordings. The second product on our list is the Fluance RT85. Fluance RT85 turntable enhances your listening experience by providing high-quality audio solutions. The RT85 comes with high-density acrylic platter with dampening properties to prevent unwanted vibrations, thus resulting in a more three-dimensional sound with tighter bass, a fuller mid-range, and overall improved clarity. Apart from the platter, there's a medium-density fiberboard plinth that inhibits unwanted resonance transfer through the system, and 3 adjustable vibration-dampening feet that keep the turntable balanced. With its Ortophon 2M blue elliptical cartridge, you get to enjoy a well-detailed high-resolution sound with improved linearity, higher channel separation, and decreased distortion. The RT85 comes with a belt-driven servo-controlled DC motor with 33 and 45 rotation per minute speed selections. This servo-controlled motor features a speed-regulating optical sensor that suppresses motor vibration and noise from reaching the stylus. This maintains accurate speed and significantly reduces rumble so that your records sound perfect. There are no electronics between the signal path from the stylus tip to the gold-plated RCA outputs, so that you get to enjoy an exceptionally pure sound. This entry-level turntable lacks a phono preamp, therefore you have to pair it with an AV receiver with a built-in phono preamp. It is semi-automatic, which means that it will start spinning when the tone arm moves over the record, and once it reaches the end of the record, the motor stops automatically. However, if you are not happy with the auto stop function, you can turn it off via a switch on the turntable's back panel. Its pros are: it is easy to set up and use, it guarantees enhanced sound clarity, and it has vibration dampening feet. However, its cons are: it has no phono preamp included, and some of its plastic parts can be easily damaged. The Fluance RT85 turntable is ideal for beginners and experienced users that want to explore well-recorded music to its fullest. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top entry-level turntable is the Rega Planar 1 Plus. The Rega Planar 1 Plus is a traditional styled entry-level manual turntable that requires you to move the tone arm on and off the record to play or stop the music. It is fitted with a tone arm that has precision bearings and automatic bass adjustment. The tone arm utilizes dampened cueing so that once you flick the lever, the stylus is lowered gently onto the vinyl surface. It also has a clip that holds the arm in place if you are moving the turntable. Unlike most entry-level turntables with fiberboard plinth, this product has a thermoset glass laminated plinth that prevents vibration from distorting the sound quality. Since this product is belt-driven, you can quickly isolate the platter from the motor to reduce noise. The platter does well by enhancing the speed stability. Furthermore, this turntable comes with a 24-volt synchronous AC motor and an aluminum pulley, as well as the Rega carbon cartridge. Its new inbuilt stage offers the ability to connect the Planar 1 Plus directly to almost any system with a standard line input via phono-to-phono cable or phono to 3.5mm lead. Hence, there is no need for a standalone phono stage. Its pros are: it provides an excellent overall performance, it has a glass laminated plinth, and it produces detailed sound. However, the inbuilt preamp is not very powerful. The Rega Planar 1 Plus is suitable for anyone looking to buy a low-cost turntable with excellent performance that will preserve the quality of their vinyl recordings. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.